is this stone of curse, where you will be dying. You will die. You will die. If you ever put it on, whatever you put it on. You see, this is pretty.
Hey, don't stop telling me what to do.
I want to have a comedy section again.
Yeah, maybe I just want to get some of you.
I could use a hand here.
Okay, so what are you going to do now?
Hi, Mom! Turn it off and let's do a comedy section.
Well, how about okay, what kind of comedy you want to do?
One where the play gym and then this coach comes along that's really bossy.
Yeah, you know what? Let's walk around.
Why? I want to do the comedy section.
Okay, well, what do you want to do?
Okay. Ah! My favorite! My favorite play gym! Ah! 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 My hand is flattened! Ah! It's still my favorite gym though! Ah! 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 It's still my favorite!
It's still your favorite?
Ah! 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 Oh, my favorite swing! I really... Ah!
It's walking disaster. He's the walking catastrophe man. It's his comedy routine.
Ah! My favorite tree! Ah! Nice to meet you! This is a really painful moment. Trust me. And my favorite slide! Ah! And my favorite slide! Oh, my favorite slide! See? Nothing wrong with it. Well, maybe I should get another favorite. Yeah.
Puppy.
Huh?
It's over.
Now let's
See how it did.
here. Let's get some shots of.
Let's see how I did.
Let's go get some shots of the horses and the.
Why? I want
Cool,
to
and
do
the
a comedy section.
Here, will you take some good? You take it. Let's get some from around your house so I can just look at it and remember your house. Oh, your yard and stuff. Is it on record?
Yeah.
Okay.
When are we going to do the... I want a copy of
Yeah, I can do that. Oh,
Cole's Extremely Disastrous Days.
See, you want me to show you a trick?
Yeah.
You go like this. You can see this here? You pull it and do close-ups.
Cool.
So you can get that bug up there.
Yeah.
You pull it back out. Where's that bug?
right there.
Oh, yeah. It's hard to hold still, huh?
Mm-hmm.
There's some ducks.
Got close up with them.
Cool. Oh, look at all the cows.
Once you get a close up of them.
Yeah, we can get closer and get a better close up. Hello. You get your puppy dog. This is getting very, very tired, isn't it? She's really warm.
Uh-oh, it's almost done.
Almost finished?
Let's see how we did.
Okay, wait. Don't drop it. Don't get too close.
Let's see how we did. Turn it on.
Yeah. Let's see, what do I push?
I think it's on record anyway, isn't
It's
it?
on. All right. Say something funny, Cole.
She's the stupid one.
I
Dr.
don't
Stupid.
Say, I'm with stupid. Do you got it? You don't want to...
Cole, take the soda out of your mouth a sec.
Is it on record?
Uh-huh. Okay. I was trying to get something of you real close together.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah, look up. Everybody look up. There we
I'm
go.
looking up.
Now turn around. Follow the camera. Come around this way so I get a better shine on your face with the sun. Okay, Catherine. Up.
What? What? Up?
Yeah, just like that. Okay. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. See you later, Gator. All right.
Ah!
What? What'd you say? What'd you say?
Don't pour that on there. You have to pour the Gatorade on it. The last final art touch.
Yeah. The Gatorade swooping down through the...
I'm all ready, really.
Let's see everything.